Hi girls, how are you? Welcome to my channel Culinary Classics. Today I will teach you how to make the onion crackers or the crunchy onion slices. Continue the video to know how we will make it after the intro break. We will need for white onion slices, and if you don't have the white onion you can use the red or the yellow onion slices. We will need also for small pieces of hot pepper and green parsley, lemon juice, salt, and some matte spices. Also for cold water, and if it contains ice it will be good or better because the cold water and the ice will give some crunchy for the onion. Now I will drop them on the onion and I will leave them for at least 5 minutes. For the ingredients, the hot peppers pieces are not important, but the green parsley, lemon juice, salt, and some matte spices are important. Also for the cold water and ice to give some crunchy for the onion. Here I will drop everything on the onion after the 5 minutes, but when I dropped the some matte spices and the hot pepper, the camera was stopped. So I will complete dropping everything in the onion and I will stir them. And here the result, you have the onion crackers or the crunchy onion slices. I wish you tried because it's really tasty and crunchy. Can make it in the lunch with anything. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, write your comment, share the video for all your friends, and bye, see you in the next video.